Yes, I am in an airport bathroom and trying to make you guys a video. So I'm just letting you know that's why you see this right here. Now, Mother Truckers, uh, Ohio DOT is so proud that they're going to be able to weigh your semi truck anywhere now. They just debuted. Is it debuted, babe?
Debut.
They just debuted the new, huh? Debut? Debuted. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. They just debuted this new truck that basically will have scales, and so someone's trying to get in. They just debuted these portable scales that now they can weigh your truck. Okay, so they're so proud, and the reason why is they say, trucks that are overweight can get into accidents and cause accidents, and so that's why they're doing it. But Mother Truckers, if you see this truck right here, yeah, that's gonna be the one that's gonna pull your ass over now. Hey, you know, that's what they say, safety first, right?